Hi, I'm Mike Greiner. I'm a bankruptcy attorney with the Financial Law Group located here in Warren, Michigan. We're conveniently located on Hoover Road, just north of 12 Mile, right off of 696, so we can be easily reached from Oakland County, Wayne County, St. Clair County, and of course Macomb County. I'm here to talk to you today about Chapter 13 bankruptcy. Most people, when they think about bankruptcy, they think about Chapter 7, and they think that that's the way that you are able to get rid of all your debts. And that's really, in most cases, the chapter that makes the most sense for people. But there are certain circumstances where Chapter 13 bankruptcy actually makes more sense. Let me give you a couple examples. One would be, for example, let's just say you're behind in your mortgage payments and you want to get caught up on your home and want to keep your home. If you want to do that, you go directly to the mortgage company. They'll say, okay, that's fine. We'll let you get caught up on your mortgage payments. Give us a check for $5,000 or $10,000 or whatever it is that you're behind in your mortgage payments. For most people, they're not able to afford that. If you go to the mortgage company and then say to them, hey, let me make these payments over time to get caught back up, usually the mortgage company will say, nope, we're not going to do that for you. Chapter 13 bankruptcy allows you to do that. Basically, what we can do with Chapter 13 bankruptcy is take whatever the arrearage is, whatever the amount is that you're behind on your mortgage payments, and have you pay them over a 3 to 5 year period with no interest. So that's usually a very good deal for people who want to get caught back up on their mortgage payment and want to keep their home. So that's one situation where Chapter 13 makes sense. Another situation where Chapter 13 makes a lot of sense would be, let's just say you're somebody who for one reason or another doesn't qualify for Chapter 7 bankruptcy, but you need still a lot of help in kind of getting your debts organized. You're facing, say, garnishments, or maybe facing garnishments and lawsuits and potential seizures of property. If you're facing those things and you just don't have the money to hold the creditors off, sometimes we can reorganize all your debts into one package and Chapter 13 will make sense. A few examples of where someone might not qualify for Chapter 7, but where Chapter 13 might make sense. Those would include things like, for example, let's just say you filed bankruptcy before and you aren't eligible for Chapter 7 bankruptcy again. That's one example. Let's just say that you have relatively high income, and as a result of the amount of